Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be, well, before I get started, I did sit and prime my face with my LA Pro Girl primer. I will be putting it down, a picture of it down below. Now I'm just going in with my LA Pro Girl color corrector and just going in and putting that over the dark spots on my face and just correcting the color so it'd be easier for me to blend out my foundation. So now I'm going in with my double-sided spoolie. One end is a brow pencil and the other end is a spoolie. I won't be using this one as a brow pencil because I use it all, and I got that from my local beauty supply. It's absolutely affordable, like $3. It works great. Like, I love it. You should invest in one. So when I get ready to do my brows, I won't be using this specific applicator. I'm going to be using a different eyebrow pencil. I got this one from Family Dollar. It was $1. It come in 2 packs and a sharpener, and it's in the color dark brown. I love it because not only does it match the same color as my eyebrows, but it's cheap and affordable, and it gets the same work done as all these other expensive eyebrow pencils. Now I'm just going to be going in and shaping out my brow the same exact arch that I have. I'm going in the front and mimic the fronts of my hairs with light strokes, and once I fill it in, again, I'll be using light strokes because you don't want to use the side of your brush. You want to use the tip of it. I'm sorry, not your brush, your eyebrow pencil. You want to use the tip of it because if you use the side of it, then your brows are going to look so dark and bulky, and you don't want that. So when you fill it in your brows, use very, very light strokes, and I'm going to do the same thing to the other side off camera. Alright, I know y'all like, ooh, her brows look a little bushy, but don't worry, I'm finna get ready to clean it up, and I'm about to finish these brows, girl, okay? Trust the process. But anyway, I'm finna go in with my LA Pro Girl concealer in the color Fawn to give my brows a little highlight and to clean it up and to make it look nice. And I'm gonna do the other side, blend it in, and you'll see. Yeah, I am naturally funny. I'm always doing some crazy, silly stuff. Like, I'm just a very outgoing, bubbly person. I'm just so full of life. Every time I feel like I did something right or I accomplished something, I just had this bad habit of hitting the wall. Like, I don't know. I'm just goofy like that. So y'all will see that a lot throughout this video. So y'all gotta excuse me. Now, I normally use my flat angled brush when I'm doing my eyebrows, and I ought to be ashamed of myself because every time I'm using something, I always put it down, I lose it. Like, I just have a bad memory of figuring out where the hell do I put my stuff. But this works just fine. I mean, it's not my go-to applicator or angle brush to use, but it's getting the job done. So now I'm just going in and blending it out just a little bit, and then I'm gonna take my sponge that needs to be cleaned and blend it out just a little bit, and y'all will see what's going on next. So now I'm finna go in with my LA Pro Girl concealer again in the color Express or Expresso, something like that. Now I'm using concealer for foundation because I ran out. Yes, I ran out, but I've done this before, and you get the same exact results with concealer as you do with foundation. So I'm just going in and putting it over my face. Like I said before in the beginning, I had already primed my face. I moisturize it, so I'm just going in and putting it all over so I can get ready to blend it in. Normally when I'm using my sponges, I never use a sponge dry because I don't like how it looks like it has like streaks or in your face, if you can understand what I'm saying. I always damp my beauty blender with either some rose water or finishing spray, just so that it can look nice and neat. Now I'm going back in with another concealer, but this one is in the color Fawn. I'm just giving my face, the center of my face, some highlight, and I'm gonna blend that in with another beauty blender that needs to be cleaned. I know my beauty blenders need to be cleaned. Yeah, like I said, I'm just giving my face some highlight, and I'm gonna blend it in. Now, I told y'all that y'all was gonna be seeing me do this throughout this video. I don't know what's going on with me. I think I need help. I can't control it. I can't stop it. At this point, I don't know. I need some type of help, y'all. I'm just goofy. So now I'm going to be taking my Luxe setting powder in the color chestnut and banana, and I'm going to be using that banana one, the light one, in the center of my face where I highlighted it, just so it can set in my skin. I'm not going to set it or bake because nobody does that no more. That's so 2016. So as I said, I'm going to lightly press it into my skin just so it can sit and make the concealer look more skin-like. Now I'm going in with my Perfect 32 eyeshadow palette, and as you can see in the title, I'm going for a natural light makeup look. So I'm going to take that pink eyeshadow with my eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to proceed to press it over my eyelid all over. I'm not going to use too much because I'm going for a natural light beat. Girls, y'all gotta excuse me. I am just goofy. But I'm taking my liquid eyeliner and I'm putting some over the very top of my eyelid where my lash line start. Now I'm going in with my jet black mascara that I got from my local beauty supply. I'm putting mascara over my lashes just so they can look, more fuller. So now I'm going in with my brush or my blush brush and applying some of that rosy pink blush over my cheekbones just so it can make my cheeks stand out. And you can't never go wrong with blush. I absolutely love blush. So now I'm going in with my black eyeliner pencil and I'm going to be filling in my waterline with this black, just so my eyes can stand out more, make the color pop, make my eyes pop. Y'all, I have so much lip glosses and lipsticks, it's ridiculous. So now I'm gonna use that same pencil that I used to do my eyebrows with to use them on my lips to make my lips look a little fuller than what they are. And I'm going to line out my lips, and then I'm gonna apply some lipstick. As you can see, I was explaining in the video that when you outline your lips, it gives you a look as if your lips are fuller. You know what I mean? It makes them look thicker and fuller, and I love lining my lips with lip glosses, lipsticks. It's my actual go-to look. Like, sometimes I wear lip gloss, without, lining my lips, but majority of the time I use it, and it's my absolute go-to look, and I love it. Y'all gotta excuse me because I am not finna just throw away this lipstick. I have a brand new one. I'm not gonna open it until I use the rest of this. Like, I'm finna get my money's worth. So I'm just taking my lipstick applicator brush thingy and just applying it all over my lips. And after I do that, I'm gonna take some of that shimmery lip gloss and apply it all over my lips just to give my lips, some gloss to it, because I don't want that matte look. I want it to be, glossy. And the color that I'm using is nude pink, and I got that from my beauty supply store. Now, if y'all see me looking around so much, it's because I got two mirrors. I got one to the far right of me in the corner, and then I got one to the left directly in front of me. So if y'all see me looking all over the place, that's the reason why. So now I'm going in with my NYX, or as some of y'all would say, NYX Butter Gloss in the color Hot Pink. And I'm going to be applying that over my lips, to give my lips some color. And I absolutely, absolutely love this gloss because it's really thick and long lasting. And I'm very backwards. I don't know why I put my shimmery palette underneath my eyelids before I After I put on my gloss, I don't know why, I was in a rush, and y'all excuse the eyelash that was dangling from my palette. I'm sorry. And y'all, I didn't even realize I had an eyelash dangling from my eyeshadow palette until I edited this video. So y'all excuse the craziness that's going on. So now I'm going to be using that same shimmery eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be putting some eyeshadow in the corner of my eyes, and I'm going to put some underneath my waterline, you know, as I said earlier, just to make my eyes pop more, just to give it, you know, some color. So now I'm going to take that same shimmery palette and just apply a little bit to the tip of my nose, just to give it a little shimmer, and why not, it looks pretty. So since I went back in with that shimmery eyeshadow and put it underneath my waterline, I'm just going to go back in with my jet black eyebrow pencil and darken up my waterline, just because I put some eyeshadow underneath and just to darken it. So now I'm just gonna do, you know, my little final touch-ups before I complete this look. As y'all can see, I was admiring myself. I really think this makeup look looks pretty. I did a good job. My goofy self. I got those earrings from Forever 21. They was on sale during Christmas. I had got a 3-pack for $1. As y'all can see, this is a matte finishing spray. I paused it just so you guys can see what the brand was, and I'm just gonna apply it over my face. I almost drowned. I was spraying a little bit too much and I started coughing, so I had to cut the video out. Excuse me. And here is the final look. I really feel like I did a beautiful job. I think it looks pretty. Comment down below and tell me what y'all think. I think I did a good job, and I will be doing a video on how I got these beautiful curls and how I made this unit, because it's so pretty. Now the rest of this video is just me, you know, looking and admiring myself, the look and stuff. If you want to exit, you can, but I'm gonna do a review on this hair that I use. Y'all will not believe where I get it from and how much it costs. I mean, I'm gonna do a whole review on it. And the inches I have is 26, 24, and I believe 22, and the closure is a 16, and the color is jet black. And I'm going to show you all how I achieved this look and how I got those beautiful big juicy curls. Thank you all for tuning in and watching me do my makeup. I've honestly been doing makeup on and off for between 8 to 9 years. I just love makeup. I love everything about it, and I also like doing hair. So if y'all have any ideas or any makeup look y'all want to see me do, or any hairstyles y'all want to see me do, don't be afraid to comment down below. Don't be afraid to like this video. Don't be afraid to share it with your friends. Now, before you leave, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and go ahead and share. And thank you all for tuning in, and I will see you all in my next video. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Y'all be blessed.